Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing like a back to school, back to college video, kind of fresh face. It's going to be mostly about the base products and like primers and stuff and powders. But I thought people go back to school in like September, like is it September? Like end of August, September. So I thought why not do a back to school college video? I've never done one of these videos before, not for a long time I don't think. So I thought why not do one? Today's video is actually in partnership with MUA Academy. It's my second time working with them and I love their products so much. They're so affordable, so I thought why not make this a back to college school, because I know when you're in school you can't buy a lot of expensive makeup, so I thought why not just incorporate the video into it. You guys can save money, have a bargain. Everything in this video is under £5, if I'm correct. Yeah, everything's under £5. Concealers are £2.50, primers are £4. So I'm literally, let's just get into it. But obviously, before I start this video, if you guys do not click subscribe, obviously click subscribe and click the bell for notifications when I upload any new videos, so we can keep it hella cute. So in today's video, I'm literally going to be showing you MUA's new Pro Base collection. It's insane, it's so affordable, and it's just cute. It's actually just so cute. So they have these new Pro Base sticks, which are really nice. There's 4 of them. Let me show you them. They look like this. How cute are they? So we have a makeup remover stick, which is the pink one. The blue one is a Soothe and Cool primer stick. We have a softening facial oil stick, which I've never seen a stick from before. And we also have a Soothe, Set, Prime and Blur stick, which sounds right up my alley because I love a blowing stick. If you guys will watch my last video, I actually did a video on milk makeup stick. So this stick is like, how much is it? This stick is like £5. So the milk makeup one's like $34. So you are saving a bargain. So I'm gonna go in with this stick, which is the Smooth Set Prime and Blur stick, which is hella cute. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this stick on like the middle part of my face, and then I'm gonna use another prime on the out perimeter of my face. So this feels so nice already. I'm gonna just look in the mirror. Oh my god, you can see actually like mattifying all what I need. I love these sticks just because you can really bring them on the go. They're easy to travel with, they're easy to pack. Super cute, and guys, the price is a madness. I'll link all the products down below so we can keep it super cute. And I just feel like it's really good to like look matte and really cute when you're gonna go back to school. How have you guys been? What is new? Definitely let me guys know what you've been up to in the comments down below, because obviously I want to know what you guys have been doing. Are you going to college? Are you going to school? Let me know the tea. So I'm literally gonna go now into the Pro Base Banana Blur Primer. This sounds so good. This is £4, and for £4 guys, you really cannot go wrong. The packaging's cute and I like the colors as well. Like, it's just super nice. So I'm literally gonna take a bit on my hand like that. I'm literally just gonna warm it up into the skin. It smells actually really good. So now we've got that, I'm going to be super extra and lock something down. So because I get hot a lot, I'm literally going to use their Pro Base cooling sprays. I've got 3. They've got a cooling spray, which looks like that. They've got a fixing spray, which I'm going to need after this makeup tutorial, girl. And then I've also got a priming spray. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put a bit of the cooling spray on, just because I need a bit of cooling down because my room is super hot. Ooh, it smells kind of like minty. It's so nice. So now we've done that spray, we can literally go in. I'm literally just gonna like fan this down. I'm gonna use my fan just so I can make it cool me down a bit more faster. Oh my god, so far my skin feels so soft and so good. That banana primer has to be literally like one of my favorites from this collection so far. It's so guys, I'm literally gonna put a base on. I'm not sure what base to put on. I'm gonna put some foundation on. I don't think I'm gonna color correct just because my skin's been, it's been decent at the moment. I don't really need to color correct because I find sometimes when I color correct, it can make the foundation or whatever I'm putting underneath go a bit mad. So I'm just gonna put some base on so we can literally put these concealers on, because you guys know, if you guys watched my last video, you would know how much I feel about the MUA Academy concealers. They're so good. They're really good to highlight with as well. So yeah, I remember like going back to school. I know a lot of people do back to school videos, but I remember like going back to school, I don't think in my school a lot of people wore makeup. Like they just did like little bits of bobs and that, but no one really wore foundation. But I guess it depends like what year you're in, because in the UK we have like year 7, year 8. Year 7 is like the youngest year you have, and year 11's like the year before college. But obviously you guys call it high school, then you go to university. But we call it university, but we don't call our schools here high schools. We call them secondary schools. This is really weird, but obviously in the UK and America, the school systems are very different. But yeah, so that's our school systems. But yeah, you guys have to let me know what videos you want. I've been struggling. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been that motivated to make any videos just because I feel like everyone's doing challenges at the moment, and I've never really done a challenge video, and to be fair, I should. I really love the challenge video where it says Google picked my makeup. By the way, if you guys can hear like a little noise, I literally have to put my fan on because it's not as hot as it was in the UK, but my room gets super hot because I live in an apartment and the heat rises, so it's so annoying. So I'm actually going to finish off this base and we're going to conceal. So guys, the base is done. We're looking all flawless and snatched. I'm going to use the Pro Base Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 170 to highlight. I've got 190 here to contour, and I've also got 180 if the highlight shade isn't that light. I mean, it's too light to me. But I love these concealers. They're £2.50, guys. You cannot go wrong. I'm going to see 170 because 170 looks a bit more yellow based, which I normally tend to highlight with. Let me just check the colour. Ooh, okay, that's a beautiful colour to highlight with. What I normally do, I normally bring these quite high up in the eye and sort of like sweep them down like that. One trick I learned is, I was watching Shayla's video, if you bring the concealer just a tiny bit up to your nose, like that, and then like that, you can make your nose really snatched when you blend it out. I'm just literally going to do the other side. So my concealer is on. What I'm going to do now, I'm literally just going to blend that concealer out with a beauty blender just to make sure it doesn't dry down too fast. Blends out so nice. I actually love it. Like, it just blends out literally like a dream. But remember, we're going to set this after. So our concealer is now blended out. This concealer for £2.50 honestly is such a bargain. Like, I'll just buy so many. £2.50. I remember buying a concealer and it was like £24. Imagine how much of these concealers you could buy. It would be insane. So it's definitely a bargain. Definitely check them out at Superdrug. Obviously because they're so affordable. So what I'm going to do, I'm probably going to set my under eye. I'm going to use their Pro Base Full Coverage Matte Powders. They have 170, which looks right up my street. They have 180, which looks like that. And I have 190, which is darker, but they run a bit cool. So I'm definitely going to use one of these just to set under my eye, which is the 190. So cute. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a small little taper brush, wipe it in that powder, and literally just set under my eye to make it cute. This powder though, no. I'm just kind of shocked because normally when products are like obviously so affordable, the quality of it isn't like 100%. Obviously when things are cheap, obviously the packaging isn't 100. Obviously it's not like fancy gold, all this and that, but the quality of MUA is so cute. And you guys know, obviously, I'm working with MUA, so you guys probably thinking, oh, you're just saying that, but honestly, guys, I wouldn't work with a brand if I didn't like their products, and I wouldn't work with a brand if like they just didn't work for me. Like, you know what I mean? Like before this video, I actually did put an MUA and I worked for a day and it lasted amazingly. I just like to test products out before I actually like work with a brand, just because I don't want to put a product on and not test it out and you guys say, oh my god, it only lasted for 2 hours, or it started creasing on me, anything like that. I just feel like it's really good to like test out the product beforehand, just so you guys get the best quality content and the best review that I can give. Do you know what I mean? But MUA are doing bits, honestly. I'm actually kind of shook what this powder is so damn cute. So I'm going to take the Pro Base Concealer in 190 now to contour my nose. I've used this colour before. It's quite a cool tone, which is perfect for the nose because you don't want anything too warm. What I'm going to do, I'm actually just going to put it there. The pigment in this is insane. Like, what the hell? It's £2.50. Like, sis. And you know what? It's really hard to find good drugstore makeup for like deeper skin tones, and I feel like this is just so cute. So that she go like that. I'm gonna put some like around my forehead as well. So I'm going to take the powder, which is quite cool, 190. I'm literally just going to run that over my contour just to set it. I like cool contours because they literally give the illusion of like just like a cool tone color. It just mimics the bone. So when you get a shadow is not normally warm, but some people love obviously like a warm contour or like a warm bronzer, but I just love using like a cool tone color. So I basically added some drama to my eyes, which made it a tiny bit smoky. Nothing too much because I know this is a back to school / uni video. You don't have to do this eye bit. You can definitely just take inspiration from the skin. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use one of my most favorite palettes. I used it in my last video. It's the MUA Academy Cosmic Vixen palette, which looks like this. It's so cute. I love it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this beautiful bronzy metallic shade here like that. I'm just going to use my finger and pop some in the middle of my eye because you guys know I love a spotlight moment. I just think it's a bit more flattering on my eye shape, but you can definitely do it any way you want to. I'm just going to take this shade like that. Look at the pigment. Look at it. It looks literally wet. I'm literally going to press that on my eye. Oh my god, that's so pretty. How nice is that? Are you guys seeing the pigment? So nice. Oh my god. I might wet it actually just to see if I can intensify it a tiny bit. I'm gonna get a brush. I'm trying to think if I've got any clean brushes. This always happens to me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the Pro Base Fixing Spray. I'm gonna spray a bit on my brush like that. I'm literally going to take that bronzy shade and then pack a bit more on. There we go. I am living for this pigment. So I literally smoked at the bottom lash line. I'm not sure where I'm going. College, uni, to the club. But anyway, take it as you wish. It looks cute. The eyeshadow palette, the Cosmic one, I am loving. I'm obviously definitely going to have to add a lash. So I'm going to obviously add some highlight and a lip. And I shall be right back. So hey guys, I've literally just added a lash. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some highlight. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the Cosmic Vixen palette because there's a really beautiful gold shade in the palette, which looks like this. So pigmented and so sticky. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a brush like this and let's just go over the cheekbones. Like that. I don't want to use too much because these are really pigmented. Oh, this palette is just, see, it's multi-use, so if you can't afford to buy a highlighter, you can just use the palette. Tiny brush just to contour that nose. A bit there. Okay, so we are all highlighted to the gods. Like, oh my god, this is such a pretty highlighter. It's quite subtle, but it's still blinding. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this Pro Base Fixing Spray just to make sure everything isn't as powdery. Whew. I'm just gonna take my fan to like dry that down. This fan I take with me everywhere. It's so bomb. Like, we did have a bit of a heat wave, but it's calmed down now. But like, this fan just to cool down your setting spray is just every damn day. So hey guys, I've already lined my lips and we're gonna go in with the Super Stylo Satin Finish Lipstick in the name Major. This color's a bit of me. It's kind of like a nudie kind of taupey color, and this is only £3 guys. Like, the packaging is actually really beautiful on this lipstick. I love it, and I think for £3 you ain't going anywhere. So I'm literally gonna use a mirror to apply this. My lips are already lined. Oh, this is really nice. It kind of matches the eyes, which I love. I'm actually loving this lip. It's really comfortable. It feels really buttery on. It's not matte. I feel like it's more of a satin finish, but I can definitely feel like loads of hydration going to my lips because my lips were like super dry before. But I'm actually loving it. So the last product I'm gonna use is a lip gloss. My lip gloss be hot. My lip gloss be popping. So this is the MUA Luxe Honey Eyed Lip Gloss, which looks like that. so cute. This is more like a goldish kind of color. It's definitely gonna go with the theme of the eyes and my highlight. So I'm actually kind of baffled, just because obviously I know this has gone beyond a going back to school look, but I definitely feel like you can take different aspects from this look, because you know me, I would wear this to school because I am extra AF. So I'm just gonna take this gloss. I need to smell the gloss because I always smell glosses. Ooh, it smells like, I think it's quite pepperminty. Is that peppermint? It's quite pepperminty, so I'm literally gonna apply some of this gloss. Okay, so this gloss is banging. I love it. Oh my god. It's not tingly, but I can definitely smell it, and it smells good. It's making my lips water. But I'm just loving it. I love the finished look. To be extra, I'm just going to put a bit of powder under my contour. I'm going to take that same MUA base powder in 170 because I feel like I need just a tiny bit of definition. I might take a beauty blender. I'm going to dip it into the powder. And then I'm just going to cut under there. There we go. I'm not putting too much on. I'll just cut that. I'm just going to wipe it off. Love that powder. So look has come to an end, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Oh, I don't even know what my favorite products were. There were so many. Okay, I really love the smooth set and blur stick. It's so good, so popping. I can definitely see it's made a difference in the way my pores look. I even like the setting spray. The fixing spray is really, really nice. It's so cute. I found that that worked really well. Sorry, my fan literally just dropped. What the hell am I doing? The gloss, I really like the gloss. I really like the smell. And obviously, guys, you can't go wrong with the concealers. £2.50. If you don't get them, who the hell are you? Honestly, definitely cop them. I really love the Cosmic Vixen palette. Obviously used it for eyeshadow and highlight. I actually love it so much. This look is just so fresh, and I feel like the base products definitely helped so much. I really want to use the makeup remover stick. I'll probably use it after, actually after I've shot down this video. I'm going to use this to like take off the makeup. And I really wanted to use the softening facial oil stick, just so if you wanted a more dewy finish, you could use that. But all the products I used were super good, and oh my god, hold on. The Banana Blur Primer was so good. I think because it's kind of like yellow as well, it's going to obviously help with like brightening up the skin and giving your skin more of a less fatigue finish. I loved everything. If you guys want to see me do some more tutorials with MUA, or you have any recommended looks, definitely comment down below. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys.